Welcome to the Lighthouse video series, where we share the expertise that Nichols Portland Inc. Shares with the marketplace as far as technology goes. The goal of this series is to help our customers learn about the technologies and learn how to optimize and maximize those technologies. I'm Stephen Medill. I'm the Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Nichols Portland Inc. With me today, I have Jason Osborne, our VP of Advanced Engineering, and David Smith, Director of Engineering for our MIM technology. Today, we're in the Center of Excellence that's at our Alpha Precision Group facility in Ridgeway, Pennsylvania. And we are here to talk about metal injection molding today. So, gentlemen, one of the key topics is what applications or what projects make sense for the MIM technology.
When we think of a good MIM part, typically we think of 5 characteristics that make a good MIM part. First is relatively small. Second is complex geometries, precision components with increased mechanical properties that are in high volume. And if you have all 5 of those components, then it's typically going to be a good MIM part.
Okay.
Yeah, good. So to elaborate on that a little bit, as far as relatively small components go, we're talking components that typically fit in the size or in the palm of your hand, right? Reason being for that, there are a number of unique circumstances that through the centering process that give us issues with larger components. So our mold scale factors and our shrink factor is significantly higher than that of the polymer injection molding world.
Yeah.
And therefore, as we send parts through the MIM core processes, we need to be able to support that geometry. Those parts are shrinking an immense amount, and that just presents a lot of unique challenges from a developmental standpoint. In regards to precision components, so this is really one place where injection molding in general shines. We can specialize with our tooling. We can create undercuts, 3D geometries, things that might be more traditionally difficult to actually manufacture, whether it be machining or more conventional methods of 2D shape forming. So generally complex shapes that fit in the size fit in the palm of your hand are perfect geometries for MIM.
Yeah. And then as far as mechanical requirements, if the part can survive in environments where mechanical properties that you get from like a zinc die cast or an aluminum die cast, MIM isn't going to compete with those technologies on an economic level. So, the application really does require higher mechanical properties, wear resistance, tool steels, things like that. That technology is much more suited for metal injection molding. And then as far as volume goes, there is tooling involved. And so you have to have annual volumes that are high enough that you'll get the return on the investment in that tooling. And typically we put a benchmark of around 15,000 parts a year. That number can change depending on the complexity of the part, complexity of the tooling, or things like that. But if you're in that 15 to 20,000 parts per year range, then metal injection molding could be a great option.
And we have lots of different options on tool configurations that can help our customers, whether it is low volume, high volume.
Yeah,
that really help.
That's right. We've actually spent a lot of time and energy in developing different tooling approaches to cater to different volumes.
Right.
So, for very high volume applications, traditional tooling, multi-cavity, fully automated slides, things like that are used. In situations where there might not be a very high volume, we also have a modular tooling approach that we can use, different material options, more manual tooling rather than automatic slides, things that can bring the cost of the tooling down to eliminate or at least reduce the barrier of entry.
Yeah, and that's been helpful for our customers. We've seen a lot of times where those different strategies have helped us a lot. So
absolutely. I mean, a lot of our conversions to MIM are actually traditionally machine components, and we have the advantage of a reduced piece part price because we are a high volume operation.
Right.
However, there is that barrier that we need to overcome, which is tooling. So lower cost and streamlined tooling solutions really allow us to convert a lot of machine components, traditionally machine components, over to the metal injection molding technology. So our customers can recognize the cost savings on a per piece level.
Right. Yeah. It's a great opportunity. Well, gentlemen, thank you for the insight. If you have a project that you think would work for the metal injection molding, or would like an on-site education event, we do offer that to prospective customers just to learn more about what projects make sense. Please reach out to us anytime. You can contact us by either going to our nicholsportlandinc.com website or our alphaprecisionpm.com website. And through that process, you can get in contact with us, and we will be happy to work with you. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.